Fritz, TUI Group has released its full year earnings for 2015 and 16. How happy are you with the numbers?
Well, 12.5% increase in EBITDA is very positive. So, particularly if you take into account that it has been a difficult year, I think we can be satisfied with our results. And we have particularly great results in the UK. We have them in hotels, we have them in cruises. So I think the past year was a very good year.
It was a second year as TUI Group, and we faced many geopolitical challenges. Many competitors have lowered their forecasts, but TUI again increased its earning. What makes the company so resilient, so strong?
I mean, if you look at the challenges, they have been big. We had to move more than 2 million customers from the East Med to the West Med. And that is, of course, a huge challenge and a huge constraint in the business. We had to plan for new hotel capacities, had to replan all our flights. We had to change marketing and sales to the new destinations. And I think that is possible and was possible because we have our vertically integrated model. We can make consistent decisions if changes in customer demand occurs, and that has been the secret of success. And many of our competitors don't have that. And therefore they have been suffering much more in that situation than we have been.
We are already in the current financial year. What are your expectations for the year, and will we again grow profitably?
I think so. We have made a commitment that after the merger we would grow our EBITDA by 10% CAGR, so average, over the next 3 years. We have now passed the first year and we will go now into the second. We have invested a lot. We have invested into cruise ships in the UK and also in Germany. We have invested in hotels. So we will grow our EBITDA, and there's all signs and indications, and at least my strong confidence, that we will be able to grow our EBITDA also 10% this year.
If you look a little bit further into the coming years, what are your ambitions? What are your goals?
I mean, when you look at our investment profile and also divestment profile, we divested hotel beds. We started investing heavily into cruises and also in hotels. And I expect to see, our EBITDA change accordingly. And that means over the foreseeable future, we will have, I think, more than 50% of our EBITDA contributing to our content offerings, so hotels and cruises. So I think that is a major trend we will see. Another thing we will see, I think, is our endeavors to also be more active in the Southeast Asian market. There is a lot of markets which have growing middle classes, so a lot of people who will go on vacation outbound, and I think we should be finding good answers to these additional opportunities which will occur.
Fritz, thank you very much.
You're welcome.